what the job of the leader of the opposition is.
मणिपुर को आपने जला दिया है। 70 बार आपने पेपर लीक करवाया है। मिडिल क्लास पे एक छुरा पीठ में मारा, दूसरा छुरा छाती में। यंगस्टर्स फ्रॉम संबल केम टू सी मी। इनोसेंट पीपल, दे हैड डन नथिंग। 5 लोगों को गोली मार के हत्या कर दी। We cannot afford a prime minister who does not have the guts to say from here that Donald Trump is a liar. Our farmers have been left to the mercy. Our textiles have been wiped out. Our energy security has been handed over. Are you not ashamed of yourself? This meeting is not a political meeting. It is about discussing what is wrong with India's education system, what needs to be corrected in India's education system. Most of our cities are living under a blanket of poisonous air. It's important that the government develops a plan for how to get rid of air pollution in our cities.
We want you to come to Andaman, sir.
See what is happening.
We can go there. There is no need to cut rainforests. I've seen it. Because around the INS bars, there is plenty of land that you can expand. जाति जनगणना इस हाउस में, इस सदन में पास करके हम आपको दिखाएंगे। वोट चोरी is an anti-national act and those across the aisle are doing an anti-national act. Hidden behind the women's bill was the delimitation. This is nothing to do with the empowerment of women. इसको हमने हरा दिया है। After becoming LOP, my personal dreams, my personal aspirations, my personal fears have to be put aside. And I have to treat every single party with love and affection.
If you were to ask me 5 years from now, do you consider yourself successful? I would look at these 3 things. I would say, have I helped bring the idea of love into the forefront of Indian politics? Have I helped make politicians and others, and myself in particular, more humble? Have I increased the respect that Indian people have with each other? Those would be the values that I would be thinking about.